So, moved into my new place today. Y'all, when I tell you, I've been thugging, okay? Like, been living with my mom and my sister. It's me, my mom, my sister, my baby. I mean, because, 2.5 months when I decided to leave, my baby was 2.5 months old, I didn't have anywhere to go. I didn't even have a car. I still don't have a car. I got rid of my car, because, empty promises, whatever. But I've been thinking so hard, this has really been the hardest time of my life. And here I am. Because I thought somebody, right. Because, that to say, don't ever relinquish your independence for a relationship. Follow your dreams, not your boyfriend. A man is not a financial plan. Always have your own things. I honestly feel like since this situation, I don't think, even if I was married, I can't see myself not having my own house outside of the main house. Like, I would just have to have my own space. Maybe that will change with time, who knows. But also, it's crazy. Like, people, they want to see you fail. Oh, they want to see you fail. When you don't, they have no control over you. They can't do anything because all you do is win. Like, God, this girl's still here.
Correction. All they do is lose. These 304s are not winning. This is what failure looks like. Young ladies, don't get fooled by them. Let's be very clear. This is failure. If that was a man who had to go back and live with his mother, what would you call him? Okay, same for her. They try to show you the glitz and glam on social media, but for a lot of them, this is what it really is.
Because I thought somebody thought there was gonna, I thought. You thought. We all thought. I want to say thank you to the people on all social media platforms that continue, God, don't cry, that continue to support me, because this fucking privilege to have. I'm so, I swear to God, I see the world with a whole different set of eyes now. I really do. Thank you for the people who continue to support me despite the that I've had to endure. And thank you to the universe for redirection. Thank God I didn't get what I thought I wanted. Because, okay, I'll take a few months of disappointment over a lifetime of disappointment.
Her followers thought that whole pep talk was for them, but that right there was for her. She said thank God that he didn't give her what she wanted. That's her admitting defeat. Yet she's still trying to portray herself as this strong, independent rebel. You have a lot of these women thotting it up, and I'm telling you right now, they're not gaining anything from this. Well, maybe mental instability, spiritually bankrupt. So no, these 304s are not winning. Here's the proof. If you want to stay thought-free and you think you may need some thought prevention, click the link below. Fellas, if you want to make sure that you stay simp-free, you may need some SIMPTERVENTION. Click the link below and make sure that you sign up for updates on SIMPTERVENTION.